Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at two stocks. One is an old setup that did not play out and that you would have been stopped out in, and it was in EXPE on the daily chart. Okay, so this was the general area that we were watching for buy signals. We did see some initial buy signals while holding above this key support, but we were unable to clear hurdles on the way up, and then we broke back down below the support. So you should have been stopped out either underneath this low, the one that was made prior to buy signals, or, when it broke underneath the low end of the range. So that one is a bust. It's going to happen. The risk reward was decent. It just didn't play out, because if this was going to continue to rally, this was our potential upside target, but the risk was a whole lot less because it would have been pretty much either under this low or underneath the low end of the zone. But now let's take a look at one that is just starting to play out. And again, there's no guarantees that it will continue to do so, but it is BMRN. You do have a nice, healthy, bullish pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Let's see, price is clearly above the 200 simple. It's above the 50 simple. And, well, we don't really have the 5 and 13 on our side, but at least we have the other two. And the upside target, if we continue to hold above this low that we did trigger a buy entry against, is going to be the 108.21 area. And your risk definition, once again, can either be defined underneath the low that's made prior to your buy trigger. Okay, and I have posted, the guidelines and, the triggers and all that good stuff on Twitter before. You can find it, or you can ask me to post it again. And you can either define the risk underneath that low or underneath the low end of the zone, which would be 97.85 area. But that's what we're looking for. As long as we continue to hold above here, then we are going to shoot for this potential upside target.